So this video will go over how to check if two strings are equal without taking into account capitalization. So what I mean by this is take these two strings, right? They are exactly the same. They are the same length, same characters, same everything. The only difference is this top string contains some capitalized letters, while this bottom string doesn't. It contains only non-capitalized or lowercase letters. So we want to create a function that checks if these two are the same without looking at the capitalization. So let's create a function. Is same without caps. So 1, 2, and what we'll do string 1 dot 2 equals string 2 case 0, and otherwise actually we can just return that, because if that's true it'll return true, if it's false it'll return false. So let's test it out. Should say true. And it does. So what this two lowercase does is it basically converts both the strings to their lowercase form. You can do two uppercase, it doesn't really matter. They will both do the same result, but I'm just going to do two lowercase. And this triple equal sign just makes sure the types are the same. So, you know, if you were to do something like this and this, it's not going to return true. Well, it's just going to throw an error because you're trying to use a string function, call a string function on a number. Now, you might be wondering, what is the application of this? Well, let's say a user is trying to log into their account, and you want it, it doesn't really matter if their username, the username is not case sensitive, but the password is, right? So maybe user inputted username was Jared357, but let's say database username for a certain account is Jared257. So you notice that there's a capitalization here, but it doesn't matter because the usernames are not case sensitive in this case. So we can simply just check, it should return true, and since it returns true, the user should be allowed to log in with this inputted username. So yeah, however, this shouldn't be used for passwords, assuming that the passwords are case sensitive, but yeah. So yeah, that's I check if two strings are the same without accounting for case. So yeah, sub if you want, like if you want.